Hello my dear friends, in this video I have provided notes on topic hit from SSC Science Part 1 Maharashtra Board syllabus. So without wasting time, let's start to the video because time is money. Heat. Heat is one of the form of energy. Specific latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by a unit mass of solid to convert in liquid phase is called as specific latent heat of fusion. Specific latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by unit mass of liquid to convert in gaseous phase is called the specific latent heat of vaporization. Regelation. The phenomenon when ice converts into water because of applying force and reconverts into ice when pressure is removed is called as regelation. Anomalous behavior of water. When water is cooled up to 4 degrees Celsius, it compresses, but beyond 4 degrees Celsius, it starts to expand. This abnormal behavior of water is known as anomalous behavior of water. Dew point and humidity. The presence of water vapor in the air that makes air moist. This moisture is called as humidity. When the air contains maximum amount of water vapor, it is said as saturated with vapor at that temperature, and this depends upon that temperature. If the air contains less amount of water vapor, then the air is called as unsaturated air. When the temperature is reached at a point when the air is become saturated, that point is called as dew point. Vapor content in the air is measured using a physical quantity is called as absolute humidity. The mass of vapor present in unit volume of air is called as absolute humidity. Absolute humidity is measured in kilogram per meter cube. The ratio of actual mass of water vapor contained in the air and the mass of vapor to make the air saturated in that volume is called as relative humidity. If the relative humidity is more than 60%, we feel that air is humid. If the relative humidity is less than 60%, we feel that air is dry. Unit of heat. The units of heat are joule in SI and calories in CGS units. 1 calorie is equals to 4.8 in joule. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories. 1000 calories is equal to 4180 joule. Specific heat capacity. The amount of heat energy is required to rise the temperature of unit mass of an object by 1 degree Celsius is called a specific heat capacity. Some substances and their specific heat capacity. Substances specific heat capacity. Water 1.0, iron 0.110, caffeine 0.54, copper 0.095, kerosene 0.52, silver 0.056, aluminium 0.215, mercury 0.033. Heat exchange. When cold and hot objects come in contact of each other, hot objects start to lose heat and cold objects start to gain heat. This process continues till the temperature of all that two objects become equal. Heat energy lost by hot object is equals to heat energy gained by cold object. Measurement of specific heat by using calorimeter. Heat lost by solid object is equals to mass of solid object into its specific heat into decrease in temperature is equals to m into c into delta T is equals to q is equals to m into c into delta T. Heat gained by water is equals to mass of water into its specific heat into increase of temperature. Q1 is equals to m into c into delta T. Heat gained by calorimeter is equals to mass of calorimeter into its specific heat into increase of temperature. Q2 is equals to m into c into delta T. Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2, that is m into c into delta T is equals to m into c into delta T plus m into c into delta T. Friends, if you have any question in your mind, then you can post it in comment box. I will definitely answer them. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it, and thanks for watching.
Now we are ready to learn a trick. The trick is little funny. It may be questioned in your mind that the video is fake, but the trick really works. So trick is, if there were one chemical bond and one element is presented in the reactants, then the reaction is displacement reaction. So let's